head of Andhra Bank family, Shri Prabhakar Garu, Mrs. Prabhakar in the audience, ED Shri Kalla, my colleague, and all my dear colleagues. It's a great occasion today to be celebrating people. As all of you know, we are entering this 90th year of our existence, and the small seed that was sown 90 years ago in Machilipatnam has today grown into such a big banyan tree that it is giving shadow, protection, shelter, and wisdom to all of us. Banyan tree is known as a wisdom tree. So 90-year journey has been very fruitful, very rewarding, and credit goes to each one of family members of Andhra Bank, all the ABNs, as rightly mentioned by my previous speakers. So 90-year journey, we have seen many milestones, and the latest being crossing 2,25,000 crore business and earning so many accolades. In the history of bank, many milestones, one of the milestones was that we were the first ones to launch this credit card business in India. That is something highly creditable, unbeaten, unprecedented kind of thing. So this is all because of the strong team which is today 18,500 plus, and a network of more than 1,800 branches. And today we have come to a turning point in our existence that we have now launched this Navshakti program, because over the years bank has made many achievements, many worthwhile achievements, but then there is a need for change. Because when we are faced with changing times, modern times, we need to establish a kind of connect with the changed times. So this program Navshakti, and I want all of you to mark the words, the rising, revitalizing the institution through strategic inputs and nurturing growth. This should be our mantra all the time. We should remain focused on it and do everything possible. Now we are passing through very difficult times in the banking sector as well as the whole economy of the country. And these unprecedented times, unprecedented challenges need a very strong response from all of us. We need to work with full team spirit, with full dedication, a lot of vigor, and a lot of pragmatic thinking in our way of working. And I'm sure this Navshakti program will be a turning point in the history of Andhra Bank and will take us to greater heights in the days to come. This today's great get-together, this musical program could not have come at a better time, and I'm sure after seeing this dollar hitting 68.80, this relaxation was very much needed. All of us are tense about the difficult times and this falling economy, falling GDP and all that. But today is an occasion to rededicate ourselves to the service of our beloved institution, to take a pledge that we take it to greater heights in the days to come and leave no stone unturned and work with our full might to see that the institution not only holds on to its position but also progresses further. Because we have a very hoary past, very glorious past behind us, and as we are going to complete 90 years of existence, the responsibility on our shoulders is much more rigorous, more weighty responsibility carry to see that the bank grows further and achieves greater heights. So on this occasion, I felicitate all of you and compliment all of you for the hard work, unstated work you have put in and brought the bank to this level. But then we have to carry it forward with redoubled vigor, redoubled efforts. And I'm sure the team, which has shown such a splendid performance in the past, will not be found wanting in any of its efforts. And the future for the bank is really very bright, very promising. And all of us should be celebrating very soon the 100th years of existence. I think but for this economic downturn, this 3 lakh crore business mark that we thought of 2 years back would definitely have been possible. But nevertheless, the difficult times, so everybody is suffering. So hopefully these times will be past. We'll put it behind us and keep on marching forward. Thank you very much for all your support. Hearty congratulations for this evening. Kindly enjoy the evening. All the best to you. Thank you.